Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my KINBON drone landing pad. I have it in 30 inches, and this is so great because it's super structured. So it has this great frame in it, so it doesn't bend, and it's also reversible. So you also get a blue side depending on what you want. This set comes with everything you need. So it comes with a landing pad that's easy to fold up. You just twist it, fold it, and put it back in the little carrying bag it comes with. It also comes with stakes to stick it in the ground so that it doesn't fly away, especially if it's really windy outside. And it also comes with highly reflective stickers that you can also use. And so with this landing pad, it makes it easy to land wherever you want without scratching or damaging your drone. And also because it's such high visibility, you can even see it from your aerial footage. To close it, it's really simple. It's kind of like those things that you put in cars for the windshield. You just fold it and twist it like that. Just stick it right back in, and then you can just zip it up. And I like that it has a little carrying handle as well, so you can hook this to your backpack, or you can just hang on to it like this. So overall, this is a fantastic landing pad. It's really big. I love the 30-inch. It's really well made. It doesn't rip, and it's just really reflective. It's gonna be everything you need in a landing pad for your drone. So I think you're gonna love it as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.